This week, you're going to be writing a historical critique about one famous artwork, and then you're going to contrast or compare it with your own personal philosophies. To do this, I want you to start by picking just one of the following pieces to do your historical research on. So this can be Picasso's Guernica, Napoleon Crossing the Alps by Jacques-Louis David, or The 3rd of May by Francis Goya. For instance, if you chose The 3rd of May, I want you to research this particular artwork and find out as much as you can about the historical context. Why was it created? What was its style? Was this part of a specific artistic movement? Or was there a certain event that triggered the creation of this artwork? Once you find the background of it, proceed by answering all the questions that you can from this first section. This includes describing it and also understanding the artist's philosophy behind it. Next, I want you to write out your own personal philosophy of art. If you're an artist, tell me, why do you create art? Is there any particular style or person that you like to copy or type of art that you like to make? Should your artwork be remembered, and why? And what are some important things that you want people to know about you? All of this needs to go together into your own personal philosophy about art. Finally, for your final critique, I want you to write a formal written critique that compares your philosophy with the artwork that you've researched. See if you can give me about 3 paragraphs that explain the historical context of the artwork, and then compare your work and personal philosophy with the art. You may find that your own personal philosophy is very similar to your artist that you've researched. Or you may find that it conflicts and you have lots of differences. The main thing about this critique is that you can point out those differences between your own personal philosophies and a historical philosophy or a historical context of a given painting.